The movie Chandni, no matter how many times I've watched it, it seems as if I'm watching for the first time. Rishi Kapoor and Sri Devi, they have enacted so well, and even Anupam Kher, Sushma Seth, and other characters are also there. Vinod Khanna has also done a marvelous job, and his mom, Wahida Rahman, and then Meeta Vishisht. Each one of them have done a good job, and it's a love story, romantic love story, which talks about dedication in love. Since he met with an accident, Rohit, Rishi Kapoor, he was on wheelchair, but still the dedication for she dedicated herself, Chandni. Sri Devi dedicated her entire self in looking after him, but since the family was against her, she had to move out, and Rohit pretended that he didn't like her much, and because of her he landed up on wheelchair. Because of that, there was a rift in the relationship, and still she loved him, and he also was in love, but it was just a kind of it was kind of play which he enacted so that she will leave him. And then a few years down the line, he was not able to actually get over her and tried to get his treatment at Switzerland, and where he got treated and he was able to walk. And then he gave a surprise to Chandni. He came, knocked at her door, and she opened, and she was totally elated. But the one thing what happened in between, Lalit, who was Vinod Khanna, had employed her at his travel agency, and he had also been despondent since the first marriage had broken down. The wife had passed away, Juhi Chawla. So he was a loner, and his mom always used to keep pestering him to remarry. And he came across Chandni, and then he started liking her, and the feeling was not reciprocated, but since she was also looking for a partner, not exactly, but since Rohit was no more there in her life, she tried calling at his house, but Sushma Seth again replied in a very blunt manner, and she was quite rude. So she thought of getting married to Vinod Khanna because they were very much interested. And Meeta Vishisht also convinced her that Rohit was your past, Lalit is your present, so just get married. And then they were about to get married, and he came. Actually, they had befriended themselves at Switzerland, Rohit and Lalit. So he was also invited for the wedding. And as he was coming down the stairs, he almost slipped, and he fell down on and that moment was I feel that is the most crucial moment of the movie. She just got up from her wedding this arrangement and started shrieking. She said that I will not let you die. And then he got his treatment done. It was not anything serious. He survived. And then Vinod Khanna also retreated his steps since he came to know about their love affair. And the last part of the movie is also good, but they have created a kind of suspense because the way they have presented it, as if it seemed as if she's getting married to Vinod Khanna. And one or two scenes they have shown that she's talking to him and he is looking in another direction, Lalit. And when you talk to someone, you have to look at their faces, right? Otherwise, the direction is good. I don't find any loopholes as such. Maybe I'll have to watch over to, maybe if I want to be a movie critic. So, but I don't find any loopholes as such. It's a must watch. Every day you can watch. 5 stars.